Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to AINA. Now today I will be recreating this look today with Jackie AINA, so stay tuned if you want to see this video. Alright my beautiful people, so today it is the Anastasia and Jackie AINA palette. Look at that. Look at that. Just love how it has that little holographic look. Love it. This one retails for, I believe, I want to say 45. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry, don't quote me. If not, it might be 42. I know it's in the 40 something. But you got her, Anastasia, and her name, her symbol right here for Jackie. And when you open, oh my god, these are some gorgeous colors. I'm not gonna lie, I waited to use my points from Ulta because I'm like, man, I'm about to snatch this up. I like it. I like it. So I did swatches already for my Instagram, so I will probably post it either or so you can see. I honestly don't feel like swatching just because I feel like there's so many out there with swatches. I know how it looks on chocolate skin and like fair skin. I'm like, let me see what about our brown skin. How is it gonna look on my brown skin? So I definitely want to check it out, see how it is. Pigmentation is amazing when it comes to these. These are beautiful. These are gorgeous. Like, come on now. And I know some people have complained about the fallout, and some people have complained about ashiness. We'll see about the ashiness, but as fallout, that's expected, to be honest, with Anastasia. And even Jackie has said it herself. So honestly, for me, it's not a big deal. Just use your brush, undust, and that's it. So, alright. Well, let's get to it, and let's start creating some looks with this. Okay, my beautiful people, so I am back with the shadow look. I was popping some lashes, and just in case you're wondering how to do lashes, I do have a video for that as well. And in case you want to do a video for brows too, I got a video for brows too. But so far so good. Let me see this. I feel like my camera doesn't do it justice how good it looks in person, to be honest. It looks nice and warm. Pigmentation obviously is unbelievable. I just wanted to do more of a simple look because at first I wanted to see, hey, just kind of let's see how this little puppy works right over here. And so let me get more familiar with this thing. But is it worth it? In my opinion, yes. And the reason why I say yes as well, not just because who she is and obviously the brand buy, but I feel like in this palette, you will use every single shadow in this palette. Believe me, every shadow has a purpose. If I could do them all today, I would have done them all today, but I just want to give you something simple, something quick, something easy, especially as a mom of 3. I don't have time to do makeup all the time. I just want to look a little bit like I'm put together, all set. But the only kind I would say for me, I thought this one right here, which is Trust Issues, I thought Trust Issues was more like a white, kind of like iridescent kind of shadow, but it's actually a gold. So when you swatch it, I'm going to swatch it for y'all so y'all can see what I'm talking about. When you swatch it, it's more of a gold. So I was like, whoa, okay. But I understand she probably doesn't want to have it ashy looking on the skin, especially if she's really trying to cater a little bit more to more of a chocolate deep tone skin tones. So I completely understand that. And obviously for brown skin, obviously this looks fabulous. Obviously, no doubt about it. So would I recommend this to anyone? Heck yeah. I will be honestly, if you guys don't got this palette yet, I highly recommend you get this palette. I love it. Obviously not just from the brush that it normally comes with and the palette how it is, but just the colors in general is something you can even take as travel because it has your neutrals and it has a little pop of color and not overbearing for someone that doesn't like to try too many colors. So this is actually perfect. The only thing when I got this palette I noticed was that they don't have black in this palette. Usually when I buy palettes, I love to have a black in here. But no worries for those who are like me. We do have one that's called Credit. That one is the one that kind of deepens to give you that nice crease, and it looks excellent. Love it. So I will write down every shadow I had used. I'll try to pop it up on the screen when I'm doing my little shadows. But I ain't gonna lie, girl, way to go, and congratulations on your engagement as well. She did excellent when it came to this palette, from packaging to colors to everything. So highly recommend this. And one thing I love about her as well, not only is she passionate about what she does, but also she likes to focus on a lot on, like, Black African Americans. She loves to focus on what's gonna work for them. She made Too Faced made more foundation shades. That's what I'm talking about. Because sometimes either they're too fair or they're too like, where you can't find deeper ones. And believe me, I had found even friends of mine who had deeper skin tone that is hard to find them. And then sometimes you gotta combine 2 shades to kind of make it work as well. And I feel like when it comes to that, we should get a discount. We have to combine 2 foundations. We need a discount. I'm sorry, discount. But palette, excellent. Young lady did her job. I'm not gonna lie, this was a good way to go for Anastasia. Good job on this, so highly recommend it. All right, so I'm gonna close it down now, but don't forget, you have a beautiful day, and don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. I am going out today, so I'm gonna try it out how it sees. will be blogging. I'm gonna go to the George Lopez show today, so let's see how that goes. But all right, don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. Bye bye.